Arrays are one of the most important concepts in JavaScript, and today we are going to learn how to add data, remove data, insert items at the beginning, remove items from the beginning using four super important array methods, which are push, pop, shift, and unshift. These methods are used everywhere in Playwright automation, like during API testing and real world JavaScript projects. So let's learn them step by step. First of all, a quick recap, like before learning these methods, let's quickly remember what an array is. An array is like it stores multiple values inside a single variable. Like here we have the example on the screen of fruits, right? So we know that this is the first element which starts with index 0, then second starts with 1, and this is fruits of 2. And in order to get the length, I simply need to write fruits.length, right? Let's go ahead with the first method, which is push method. Okay. So push adds a new value. When I want to add a new value at the end of an array, right? So I will simply write fruits dot push, and push value we need to write like what I want to push, right? So at the end, suppose I want to push orange, right? So I will simply write fruits dot push, and then I will pass on the value that I want to insert at the end. So now if I print it, it will be printed like console.log, then fruits, save it and run it. There will be four elements now, orange, right? What if I want to remove the last element here? So there is another method which is fruits dot pop. It will remove the last value. And now if you print it, again there will be three values inside fruits. See, again it's changed to three values. But what if I want to push something, or I want to enter some value in the beginning itself? So how do I do that? So there is another method which is shift. So you just need to write like fruits dot shift, right? So here is an example. Okay, there is one shift and one is unshift. Shift it removes the value, and unshift it adds the value at the beginning, right? So let's do it. First of all, I will write fruits dot shift. Let's see what it does. Let's print it again, console.log, and let's print the list fruits, right? I am going to print fruits after shifting the values. So run the code. You see, now our first value is banana and second value is mangoes. Earlier it used to be apple, banana, and mangoes before this. Now, how do we unshift it? Like how what I can add anything in the beginning, right? Just write unshift and then you pass on the value. Let's say kiwi. You can unshift as many values as you want, right? Console.log and then fruits. Save it and run the code. You see, now kiwi is at the beginning. We have inserted kiwi at the beginning, and then banana has been moved to first index and mangoes to the second index. So apple, like eh, here is an easy way to remember. Like push, it adds the value at end. Pop, it removes the value from the end. Shift, it removes from start, and unshift, it adds at start. Okay, let's go with one complete demo. So I have let's create one another array. Here it is. Students, right? Here John and David I have added. Now I am pushing the value Sarah and then printing it. So just guess what will be the output here. Then popping the value means removing the value. Then guess what will be the output over here. And then unshift Mike and then shifting, right? And what will be the end result at the end. So you can pause this video and guess the output. Okay. And in automation testing, the arrays are used everywhere. For example, multiple test users, product lists, then browser tabs, response data. We have to store, then do multiple things on the data. So I think that's all for arrays for now. So awesome work. Today you learned like push, pop, shift, unshift. These are fundamental JavaScript concepts that you will be constantly using in Playwright automation and real projects. In the next video, we will continue building your JavaScript fundamentals step by step. So keep practicing, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next lecture.